Hi guys, how are you today? Welcome to Dark Lord Gamers. I hope you're good. Now, you can see my castle. Today I'm saying about the research which you need to upgrade yourself very fast. Now, you can see my academy is 24. Now, I'm entering the academy. You can see my academy internally. Now, you can see my research economic internally. You can see my research is level is 8. It's very neat to grow yourself with resource. When your harvesting is grow at 8, 9 or 10, your resource will be grow very fast. You can upgrade yourself very fast. And your construction you have to do it at 9 at anyhow. And the second one is military. You can see it how my military is upgraded. You need to unlock your troops level 3 at anyhow. Its army capacity is very good compared to level 1 or 2, but the travel speed is very good of level 1 soldiers, but the capacity is not so good. But you need to upgrade yourself very fast to unlock level 3 soldiers. And it's very important to the players of level castle 1 to 17. Very necessary. Now, now you can see my monster hunting here. Now you can see my monster hunting internally. Now you can see my research how I upgraded at 9 level. You can see it's very important to grow yourself very fast. You can see my research how I upgraded. It is very important to grow yourself. And the fourth one is upgrade military. Now you can see my upgrade military internally. Now you can see it's helped to reduce the resource which you train the soldiers in the barrack. It reduces the cost which you use to train the soldiers. You can see it how I upgraded. It's taken not too much time. You can see it. It's help you to grow yourself very fast. Thank you guys for watching us fun, and please like it, share it, comment on it, and don't forget the bell icon. Have a nice day for you.